Hello, good evening, welcome, and we today are going to do something that no one thought was possible, which is we're going to make some orchestral music using the Ableton Move. And I know a lot of people are going, that's crazy, that's insane. Guess what? It is, but it's possible. So, what we're going to use today is we are going to use the hacked firmware. It is called, I keep forgetting to shout it out, it is called Move Everything. I will link to it down below. It is by someone called Charles Vestal, I don't know. A guy called Charles who has put this all together. A lot of open source stuff put in one spot, sound font players, reverbs, effects, synthesizers, tons of stuff. But today we're going to be using the sound font player. And I specifically am going to be using the Squid Font Orchestral Sound Font by The Guy 2. Sorry, the sound font is by Big Squid 2001. Gotta love open source software. And I've kind of preset it up. But basically a sound font is exactly what it sounds like. It is a bunch of samples that have been pre-made to react to different velocity layers and all that sort of stuff, packaged in kind of an open source format. So what I've got is 4 tracks of this sound font. And I just wanted to play around with it to see if we could make a 4-track orchestral score, I guess. By the way, I'm a terrible musician, but I'm having so much fun with this channel. So if you want to comment on my musical skills, feel free, give me all the engagement you want. But we're just having fun here, so please don't get too stressed out about it. So what I've got on track 1 is a violins to legato. So let me turn track up a little bit. That sounds good to me. That sounds good to me. So I think that can be our main sort of loop. And then on track 2, what I have is... I was secretly impressed by that because it sounds really, really nice. And I had not pre-planned that at all. So, so on the second track, we have a legato cello that I've set up. Exactly the same. So let's see what we can do over it, I guess. Nothing too crazy. As you can see by my fumbling around, the first the first melody was definitely down to pure luck. But let's see what we can figure it out. Screwed it up already. Okay, so I think we got it. For some reason, one of those, just the volume went crazy. That one. So let's change the velocity down. Okay, so I think that sounds pretty good. So now we have the bass. Can I think I can just copy that to there. Does that work? I didn't know you could do that. I don't think I knew. Okay, perfect. Okay, so now we got that. 6 bars, 7 bars. Okay. So that's why it's being weird. Now, this is going to be tough because I have done it by vibes, so the metronome is going to be just way up like. Oh, okay, I think maybe they can just be 6 bars for each of them. The only thing with this is I want to add a little bit of reverb. Woo, there we go. It's going to be a shit show. See, it's because I'm not in time. Okay, let's figure it out. No, I was trying to do something kind of syncopated, but it's not going to work. Now, my choice is that I can go through and I can retime everything, and it will be the most boring, tedious, horrible experience that I could possibly think of, or I can forget the percussion and change it to just another instrument and hope I can vibe my way through it. I think that's a better option. So let's figure out what other instruments we can put in. That may sound cool. Okay. Pizzicato violins. Let's turn off the metronome and let's... Yeah. Okay, cool. You know what? My timing is shocking. Okay, you have full, complete reign to just destroy me on my timing in the comments, because on every single video, my timing has been off, and because I hate editing timing on the Ableton Move, I just leave it. So, yes, fully on board with you. My timing is terrible. What I'm going to do, though, is I'm going to try and copy this one over, and then we're going to let's see what we can do with the timing. Okay, Okay, so that's fine. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh no, it's not. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, because I'm doing 3, 4. That's why. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So can I just copy this to this? No, it's too much effort. Too much effort for just jamming around. Okay, so look, guys, all I wanted to do was be stubborn and prove a point. We have now some orchestral, some orchestral music, 4 tracks, being played on the Ableton Move. It's not terrible. If there was a talented musician involved in it, it would sound way better. But I just like doing things that people don't think can be done. I mean, the fact that we can have sound fonts on here is so awesome. And there's a lot of sound fonts out there that I first used sound fonts like, I don't know, maybe 20 years ago. And there was like 1 or 2 sort of kind of good ones. But now there is absolutely tons. If you check my last video, I made a Mario 64 tune. It's about as good as this one with the Super Mario 64 sound font. So there is tons of stuff out there. And you can also make your own. There's ways of making your own sound font. So if you have like something on Ableton Live, like or a VST, whatever that you like, or a VST that you really like to use, you can sample it, turn it into a sound font, and then bring it on now onto Ableton Move and still use it in here. So if you're like, I wish I had that one sound from this, you know, whatever native instruments thing, you can turn it into a sound font, put it on here, and play it. And play it live if you wanted to. You can use this as a live performance instrument as well. So tons you can do. There's tons more to explore on this Move Everything firmware, UI, whatever you want to call it. Get crazy, kids. Get crazy, because we are living in an era of a lot of slop, and the world is missing just weird people making kind of wonky music. That's what the world is missing right now. So just get out there and make wonky music, or make great music, and make us all look bad. Choice is yours. Thank you for joining me. I will catch you in the next video.